third grade. Okay, we're going to take another look at our spelling list. It's the same list we had last week, so we've kind of broken it into pieces as we've been working with it. But what we've noticed is that all of our words, all 18 words, have a root word, and then we add a suffix to that root word, and then we have a whole brand new word. Okay, so the first bunch that we took a look at on Monday we took a look at, it had a verb was the root, and we added the er suffix, and then we came up with new words. So for example, if we had sing plus er, we have our spelling word singer, a person who sings. We take the verb teach plus er, and then we have the word teacher, a person who teaches, right? So we kept our root word exactly the same, and all we did was add er. All right, then the next group of words that we took a look at, we were adding the suffix full. Now it sounds like the word full, but it only has one L, okay? So we were careful to notice that. Oh, look at, careful, there we go. Okay, we had our root word, we kept our root word the same, we added the word full. Well, the suffix full, not the word for full, the suffix full, and we came up with a new word, careful, full of care. Hope plus full is hopeful, full of hope. Okay, so we took a look at all those ones. So the only one we have left, so I know you're not in great suspense, you could figure it out. The ones we have left would be adding the suffix ly. Okay, so we're going to take a root word, we're going to add the suffix ly, and we're going to come up with a brand new word. So let's take a look at a few examples. If I sing in a way that is loud, I sing, how do I sing? How would I say that? I sing loud. I keep the word loud, and then I add ly. I say, oops, sorry, ly, loudly. I sing loudly. In a way that is loud is loudly. So loudly tells you how I sing. I sing loudly. Okay, ready? If I run in a way that is quick, I run quickly. So I keep the word quick. Keep the word quick, I add ly, quickly, I run quickly. It tells you how I run. So these words are called adverbs because they're describing an action, okay? They're describing an action, they're telling you how I ran in a way that is quick. If I run in a way that is slow, it would be I ran or I run slowly. If I run in a way that is joyful, I run joyfully. That one has two suffixes, doesn't it? Okay. Uh-oh, sorry. Okay, here we go. Ready? Let's try another one. When I listen in a way that is close, if I listen in a way that is close, I listen closely. I listen closely. I mean, I wonder if some of you thought carefully. Would carefully work there too? I sure would. We could make a whole nother sentence. I listen careful. And then I add my ly. That one had two suffixes. That's not a spelling word. But wouldn't it work too? It would tell you in the way that is careful. But our spelling word is in a way that is close. So I listen closely. Okay, so let's take a look at our words that end in ly. We have loud. We have keep our root word loud. We add ly. Ly. La, 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 la. Loudly. Closely. In a way that is close. I keep the word close. Okay, quick, in a way that is quick, quickly. I keep the word quick, I add ly. Safely. I keep the word safe, I add ly. Safely, in a way that is safe. I cross the street safely. How did I cross? Safely. It's an adverb. Calmly. Calmly. The class walked out of the building calmly, in a way that was calm, right? There's one that doesn't follow that rule. Look at that word. What do you notice? Okay, we take the word true, but we drop that E. It's the only one. It's the only one, so don't let it trick you. You ready? You drop the E. So this is in a way that is true. Ready? Truly. I am truly sorry. Don't we say that in the act of contrition? I am truly sorry. Okay? Truly tells in a way that is true. Okay? So that one's also an adverb, but it would not necessarily describe an action. It might describe how you feel. So it might describe an adjective. So that's a little tricky. But the spelling that we're looking at is what I want you to notice. It's the one where we do change the root. Okay, we don't keep that E. And then there's one other one, friendly. Friendly is a little bit different. It follows the rule where we keep the same root. We keep the word friend and we add ly. But the reason that friendly is different, it's not in a way that is friend, right? Like in a way that is quick, in a way that is slow, in a way. This one is different. This one is like a friend. So actually the word friendly is an adjective. I know, it's a little confusing. It's an adjective. It follows the spelling pattern, but it's an adjective, whereas all the other ones are adverbs. They describe verbs, and truly is the one that doesn't follow the spelling, where you keep the exact same root. Okay, so a couple to kind of keep your eyes on. They might be tricksters. All right. All right, so you're going to use a couple of these in sentences for me to practice them. And remember, our pretest will be on Wednesday, just like in your regular weeks when we have our spelling list. So our pretest will be Wednesday, and if you do not get all of them right, you can retake the test on Friday. Okay? You do not have to retake the test if you have them all right on Wednesday. So that sounds like a great option, doesn't it? All right, my friends, have a great day. Bye!